Are you looking for an investment in a pet-friendly community? Check out our newest mid-rise condo in Nuvali. Hello guys, this is Renz Pagiligan again, the Estate Savvy. So we are here right now in Solara Park Stories, our pet-friendly mid-rise condo here in Nuvali. But now before I share the details and to show you our model units, let's have a quick drive tour po muna for you to have an idea kung saan ba located itong si Solara dito sa Nuvali. And mas maging familiar kayo sa mga projects na madadaanan natin. So, let's go! Hello guys! Welcome to our drive tour. So again guys, no, if you are very familiar now with Nuvali, you can skip this drive tour and go straight na sa clip kung saan si Solara located. But to our first time viewers, please watch this drive tour para mas maging familiar kayo sa daan tsaka kung para malaman nyo kung saan located itong si Solara. And again, share ko lang no, quick si Nuvali. Nuvali is the largest eco-estate development of Ayala here in the Philippines. This is composed of 2,400 hectares and is divided into 4 segments. First, Nuvali North. This is our main commercial business district. Second, Nuvali Central. This is where Solara is located. Then, Nuvali Heights and Nuvali South. Diba, ang laki ng Nuvali na akala lang natin composed of Ayala Malls lang siya, SNR, man-made pond, and Healthway Co-Element, but those are just the tip of the iceberg. So, let's go na to Solara. Dito lang po tayo mag-start sa Paseo kung saan connected ang one of the XLEX exits, which is Eton exit. Sa previous videos ko kasi, doon tayo lagi nag-i-start sa exit of Calax, which is Laguna Boulevard exit. What if dito naman tayo sa Eton exit? So after ng Paseo, ito po yung road, itong malaking road, ito yung tinatawag na Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, which is of course papunta ng Tagaytay. And as you can see, no, malawak yung road na ito, 2 lanes. And both sides meron tayong trees. And in our right side naman, before ng Nuvali, makikita natin itong napakalaking Vista Mall, yung mall ni Villar. And dito lang po tayo dadaan, no? Actually, hindi naman tayo papunta ng Calax, but dito tayo mag-U-turn para makapunta tayo or makadaan tayo sa one of the access route papuntang Nuvali. Kasi dun located yung ating Avida showroom. And here in our right side is the Avida showroom. Dito po located yung ating model units of Solara Park Stories. So as we go along po dito sa road, ang una nating makikita is the 2 towers of Seda Hotel. In our left side naman, this is the Museum for Architecture and Residences. This is designed by an international architect, Su Fujimoto. This is a mixed-use development na meron siyang museum, exhibits, and very limited luxury condos na may sariling hot spring. In our right side naman is the Nuvali Techno Hub. This is the future IT and BPO Techno Hub na once ma-open ito, it will create jobs and opportunities for IT developers and BPO professionals. So as we go along this road, no, in our right side naman is the Monochrome Events Place, and mamaya po madadaan din natin the premium office building of Ayala, which is LHK South. In our left side naman is the East Block. This is one of the pocket business district here in Nuvali North. This is 11.7 hectares and yung mga itatayo dito are offices and buildings, and the other permitted uses na pwedeng itayo dito are condos, tertiary schools, or hospitals, or malls. And yung makikita nyo po, no, sa tapat ni East Block is the North Central Business District. No official announcement if gaano kalaki yung size niya, but if we base ito sa map ni Nuvali, this is almost 5 times of East Block. Diba na once matapos or makomplete itong si East Block tsaka si Nuvali Central Business District, or North Central Business District, this is the future BGC na here in Nuvali, na it will create jobs and opportunities na even sa residents dito sa South and dito sa Nuvali, dito na po tayo mag-work in the future. And dito no, yung sa dinadaanan nating road, itong malaking road na with trees sa both sides, this is the Nuvali Boulevard. Na ito yung papunta from Nuvali North, papunta pong Nuvali South. Gusto ko lang babaan no, itong si Central Block kasi this will be your nearest walking distance commercial area. This is 12 hectares in size na ang permitted use dito ay or yung mga maaaring pwedeng itayo dito are malls, shops, condo, tertiary schools, or hospital, and yung mga ongoing ng development ay Merrimart and the shops. So yung concept nito no ay parang Alabang Town Center. Ganito po yung facade or mga building na itatayo dito. All mid-rise buildings lang tayo and with earth tone colors. 'Di ba? How convenient ito sa Nuvali Central residents na you have your own commercial area na here and no need na lagi pumunta ng Soledad Malls para mag-shop, mag-dine and etc. So after Central Block no, yung makikita nating road pa kanan, doon po tayo dadaan papunta ng Solara. And as you can see in our left side, nagkakaroon na tayo ng road expansion para maging ready na po tayo in the future kung dumami na yung residents dito and matapos itong si Central Block. And in our right side is the Xavier School. This is one of the schools here in Nuvali. The second is Miriam College, third is Everest Academy. Etong si Xavier School, it offers from pre-kinder up to grade school. Ito yung pinakamalapit na school from Solara Park Stories na pwede siyang walking distance and if driving, nasa 1-minute drive away lang siya. And along this road, no, as you can see, this forest right here or right there is part of the 120 hectares carbon forest across Nuvali na hindi po siya gagalawin because there are bird sanctuaries there na it contributes sa clean air natin. Kasi 'di ba, if you are searching for a retirement home then why not look for a stress-free environment and with clean air surroundings. Welcome to Solara Park Stories Nuvali. This is the first ever pet-friendly condo of Avida sa buong Pilipinas. The land area has an approximate 1.7 hectares and 3 towers na po yung itatayo dito. So the 40% is dedicated for open spaces and amenities because we promote open spaces and greeneries here in Nuvali. The current open for selling is the Tower 1. It has 16 floors. All the units here are studio and 1 bedroom. All units with balcony. And yung turnover po nitong Tower 1 is on the 4th quarter of 2027. Actually, nag-groundbreaking ito si Tower 1 nitong last March 2024 lang. But look at the current progress, nasa 10th floor na po tayo because this is one of the advantages or perks na mag-invest in Ayala brand kasi 100% budgeted tayo na may bumili man or wala pa, rest assured matatapos yung building or tower and matuturnover ito sa mismong date ng turnover na hindi tayo nagbe-base sa collections of monthly payments para magkaroon ng progress yung building, which is dun po nagkakaroon ng delay ng turnover. By the way, lahat ng towers dito sa Solara ay naka-green building na. No? So ano nga ba yung green building? Ito po yung mga sample features ito. Number 1, we will be having a rainwater harvesting systems na ginagamit siya for non-potable use. Example, yung umulan, kinakatch po siya, tapos ini-store natin yung rainwater para gamitin. Example, pandilig ng garden, panglinis ng roads, or sa mga toilet fixtures na example, pang flush sa CR or sa toilet bowl. So second, low emissive glass na po yung ating windows tsaka yung glass doors. Kumbaga, example, if direct sunlight yung sa windows natin, tatagos lang yung light pero wala siyang kasamang init kasi na-block na yung UV rays from sunlight. Number 3, occupancy sensors. Example, for the parking light or sa hallway natin, parang naka-dim lang siya. Na if may tao na dumaan or na-sense ng sensor, dun lang siya lalakas yung light, ensuring na energy is used efficiently. And dagdag ko lang, no, for our security here in Solara Park Stories, naka-RFID na tayo. Example, papasok kayo ng parking, tataplan niyo po yung RFID. And kung papasok po tayo ng lobby, papuntang hallway, tap RFID lang para po tayo ay makapasok. The amenities are consist of adult and kiddie pool, indoor gym, basketball court, multi-purpose area, and play area. And dito po sa Tower 1, we have game room, meeting room, and landscape areas. So for the model units, let's go back there in Salinad 1 kung saan yung showroom natin. I am pretty much excited now to show you our model units, the studio, and one bedroom with balcony. So let's go! So welcome to our showroom, Avida Showroom. This is just located in Salinad 1, just right behind of the famous man-made pond. So dito, pasukin na natin at silipin na natin yung ating model units of Solara Park Stories Nuvali. So this is our model unit for studio unit with balcony. This is the layout. The size is 26.50 square meter and ito po yung ating specifications ng unit. So pasok na po tayo, no? And yung ipapakita ko po sa inyo is the deliverable unit or yung ano ba yung ito-turn over po sa inyo na unit ng studio unit po natin. So as we enter po ng studio unit, yung una po nating makikita in this side is the toilet and bathroom. So here in toilet and bathroom, meron po tayong mga built-in fixtures like yung toilet bowl. And in this side, meron po tayong provision for washing machine. And naka-ready na po yung ating GCFI outlet. So ano nga ba yung GCFI outlet? Ito example, since andito tayo sa toilet and bathroom, possible na pwede siyang mabasa or mapasukan ng tubig. And once na mangyari yon, mag-automatic shutdown yung electric power dito. Siyempre, for your safety at saka safety rin ng condo. Okay, in this side naman po is the wash basin and we have overhead shower na rin dito and provision na rin for water heater. So in this unit, naka-laminated flooring na rin po tayo and as we enter, in this side naman is our kitchen. Ayan po, we have built-in na rin na upper and lower cabinet and countertop sink. And dito, of course, meron na rin po tayong GCFI ready. Na siyempre, pag nagpiprito ka or naghuhugas, possible na pwede siyang pasukan ng oil or water. So, naka-ready na rin po yung ating receptacles for the bulbs and naka-ready na rin po yung ating smoke detectors and water sprinklers. So, this is the studio unit. Siyempre, wala po siyang partition but you may opt to add naman pagka-turnover po nito. So ano pa ba yung pwedeng may add or may furnish dito sa studio unit? In this side, dito po yung provision naman for the refrigerator. And in this side, naka-ready na yung mga cables natin na pwedeng lagyan ng Wi-Fi and ng TV. Dito naman po yung ating split type aircon. Tsaka ito po yung ating windows tsaka yung glass door. Ito pong condo unit natin, since nasabi ko rin po kanina, naka-green building po tayo. Ito pong windows tsaka glass door, kumbaga ano po siya, low emissive. If naka-direct sunlight yung nakatapat po sa inyo, kumbaga tatagos lang yung light pero hindi siya mainit kasi na-block na po yung UV rays from the sunlight. Okay, so let's go na tayo sa balcony. So this is the balcony, no? Look gaano siya kalaki. Na you can put right a mini chair and mini table po dyan. Na if you want din po na mag-coffee or juice or gusto mo magtanaw-tanaw sa mga magagandang view po ninyo dito sa balcony. So this is for the studio type with balcony. Again, 26.50 square meter. You can purchase this for as low as 13,000 monthly. Pero for the current date po yan ha, kasi the price might get higher anytime. So ngayon po, September 2024, if magkaroon po siya ng changes, i-update ko po siya sa description or sa comment section natin. Due to the high demand of bigger units, inaalaw po dito kay Solara yung combined 2 studio units na example, pwede po siyang butasan sa gitna. For example, pwede po kayong pumunta sa kabilang room or sa kabilang studio unit. And meron din po kasi mga clients na, example, they are a big family, gusto nilang mas malaking unit or they want their kids na magkadabing unit lang pero pwedeng pasukin yung kabilang unit. So this is our one bedroom with balcony naman, no? This is the layout. The size is 35.8 square meter and ito po yung kanyang specifications. So let's go na po dito. So kung ano pala yung may papakita ko po sa inyo is the dressed up unit. Kumbaga po, for you to give you an idea kung paano po siya i-furnish. So as we enter sa ating unit, yung unang bubungan sa atin is the kitchen, the upper and lower cabinet, and the countertop and sink. Pinagkaiba lang nila ng studio unit sa kabila is toilet and bathroom po kaagad yung bubungad. But here naman sa one bedroom, the kitchen naman siya. So dito nilagay nila is yung ref. Kumbaga, kinaganda naman ng pag-purchase ng one bedroom, no? Kasi mas malawak siya, kumbaga, ang ganda niyang i-design. Dito nga po, dahil malawak siya, you can easily design kung saan yung living and yung dining area natin. And in this side, since corner unit si one bedroom, meron po tayong windows pa dito, additional windows. So ang ginawa po nila dito yung sa TV, naglagay sila ng shelves and nagput ng things there or ng stuffs. Ito nilagay nila ng wood, yan, sabitan. So let's go naman to sa toilet and bathroom. So look how spacious your toilet and bathroom is, no? Dito naman po yung ating wash basin and the mirror with LED light. Naglagay din po siya ng shelves here. Dito rin. Dito rin yung provision for the washing machine and naglagay siya ng partition para dito sa ating shower area. Okay, so let's go na to the bedroom. Yung kinagandahan kasi ng my bedroom, meron tayong privacy. Dito naman po dedicated yung sa ating split type aircon and sa bedroom dito rin po siya. So in this bedroom, no, ang spacious niya. Actually, yung sa bed dito kasya family up to queen size. Na ang ginawa nga sa kanilang kamay, meron pa silang pull-up drawer dito, di ba? To save up space. So dito, naglagay na mini drawer tsaka ng malaking mirror and cabinets din dito. Okay, so let's check naman yung ating balcony. So in this balcony, no, so as you can see, sobrang lawak din po niya. Kung gaano po kalawak itong si one bedroom, ganun din po yung kalawak itong si balcony. Dito naglagay sila ng mini table and mini chair na if you want na mag-coffee sa umaga or mag-tea, mag-juice, pwede while nakatanaw sa magagandang tanawin natin. So if you want this kind of unit naman, the one bedroom with balcony, you can purchase this for as low as 17,000 monthly. So kung may magbago man po or mag-changes sa price, i-update ko na lang po siya sa description or sa comment section natin. So please do subscribe sa ating YouTube for more updates here in Solara Park Stories Nuvali and sa ating prices and computations. You can reach me to my Facebook page, The Estate Savvy, or you can reach me through my Viber and WhatsApp at 0917-140-5564. Ang dami ding katanungan ng karamihan, no, na Renz, bakit pa ako magpo-purchase ng condo dyan? Ang daming house and lot na ino-offer dyan sa Nuvali. Well, depende po yan, no, sa preference and purpose ng investment nyo. Na these are the few reasons kung bakit maganda ring mag-invest dito ng condo kay Solara Park Stories Nuvali. Number 1, high accessibility. So again po, no, Solara Park Stories Nuvali is located in Nuvali Central or in the heart of Nuvali. Na in North Central Business District and in Nuvali North, 7 to 8 minutes drive away lang ito sa Solara. Pero yan ay kung doon tayo dadaan sa Nuvali Boulevard, yung ating main road po doon. Pero do you see that dead end po dyan? Just right beside of Solara, magkakaroon po dyan ng future access papuntang North Central Business District to Nuvali North na once ma-finished or pwede nang daanan itong future access, makakat na po yung driving time natin from Solara to North Central Business District to Nuvali North ng 3 to 5 minutes away na lang siya. And as I have said earlier po, no, na itong si Solara ay walking distance lang sa ating nearest commercial area which is Central Block. Na you don't need na pumunta pa ng Nuvali North para mag-shop, mag-dine kasi meron tayong mas malapit dito in just 5 to 7 minutes walk lang po siya or 1 to 2 minutes drive lang. Actually, no, meron pa tayong another or additional commercial area sa south which is Rockwell South tsaka yung ating future Alfresco Mall na in the future, mas marami pa tayong choices ng mga malls na pwede nating puntahan and sobrang accessible dito kasi nasa center lang tayo. Lahat ng mga malls sobrang malalapit lang sa atin. Number 2, for rental businesses. So, if you want to purchase naman ng property na gusto mong pagkakitaan or na may passive income, this condo is fit sa gusto mo. And kinagandahan po ng condo na we offer na even furnished or not, pwede na po siyang parentahan kasi livable na po yung condo natin once ma-turn over ito. So, sino-sino nga ba ang mga target clients natin na magre-rent sa condo unit nyo? Diba? Number one, as I said earlier, Solara Park Stories New Valley is a walking distance to Xavier School. So obviously, yung top clients natin would be students na nag-aaral doon, teachers na working there, at pati yung mga staff po. Number two, this is walking distance din to Central Block, our commercial area. Diba? Yung pwede natin pagkuhanan doon is yung mga nagwo-work din po doon or mga tenants. And the other po na possible natin na maging customers is yung example, sa katabi ng Valley, may mga industrial companies doon. Pwede yung mga nagwo-work doon or may-ari ng businesses. And sa mga ating future BGC or sa Nuvali North, sa North Central Business District na will be working there in the future, pwede rin po silang maging source ng ating or pagkukuha na po ng magre-rent sa condo niya. Number 3, buy and sell. This is common na when it comes to buy and sell ng properties, especially ng condo units, na you will purchase a property at its introductory price or pre-selling price. Kumbaga, hihintayin nyo lang yung term na pahinugin yung property kasi for buy and sell properties, waiting is the highest interest. And knowing Ayala naman, sobrang mabilis lang yung ROI and yung value appreciation of properties. So those are the few reasons kung bakit magandang mag-invest dito sa condo, dito kay Solara Park Stories New Valley. And actually, there are many reasons pa kung bakit pwedeng mag-invest dito. Like example, you want na condo muna bago house and lot, or you want na less maintenance and na more secured and etc. So this is it. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating quick drive tour and natulungan ko po kayong ma-convince na maganda ring mag-invest dito sa condo here in Solara Park Stories New Valley, a place where every story has a home. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Again, this is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your property specialist in the South.